sukad katong July 2023 hangtod February 2024 nakapalit nami og 192 ka manok nga nagkantidad og 168,000.
Ako nga impact ang ginhataghan DA saad ang amon asosasyon ang paghatag nirahan partihan pananom sipon halin mag nakabulig ka amon tagsa kay nakakapalit na kani han amon halin ang amon panimalay nakakabulig na kami ang amon pamilya.
Tuda ko ang bulighan saad aamon sugad man kami nga mga parag-uma kay una natuddoan kami kung paano kami magtimangnuhan manok para maging maupay ang produkto nga masustinahan ang makabulig liwat it amon mga panginanglan kami nga mga parag-uma ang sugad man ngadtohan komunidad amon pinagkakitaan nga na nakakaani na kami bunay nga amon ini na babaligya na nga nakakabulig kami iton mga komunidad.
SAAD Eastern Visayas is dedicated to creating a sustainable and prosperous agricultural sector where every farmer can thrive. The reach of the program extends to the 6 provinces of the region. SAAD Eastern Visayas has achieved significant accomplishments in the following components. Social preparation component achieved 100% in capability building trainings. FPL achieved 92% in specialized trainings and initiated 82% of planned projects. NAAD component achieved 66% for the market-related trainings. There is also continued support for SAAD personnel through developmental trainings.
We at SAAD Eastern Visayas envisions our farmer groups by the year 2028 be self-sustaining, successfully operating enterprises that are ready for clustering and to be scaled up. We will continue to help them to be food secure and be alleviated from poverty.
Eastern Visayas is a place where the spirit of resilience and community thrives. Here, we empower our farmers, ensuring sustainability for generations to come.